Hey, we have tax season coming up soon, and there's something you can do about it to help you if you understand it. And that's what I'm going to explain here today. It's called RRSP season. And what that is we have from now up until March 2nd to contribute to our RRSPs, which lowers our 2025 taxable income. So if you're used to getting a refund, we could increase your refund. Or if you're used to paying, we could shrink your tax bill. Here's how. The way that it works here in Canada is the more we make, the more we pay in income taxes. It's a tiered tax system. This chart here goes to show the Alberta federal and provincial income taxes. So again, the more you make, the more you pay. Quick scenario, let's say you made $100,000. That means every dollar you've made between 60 and 100,000, you get to keep 69.5 cents. The other 30.5 you send over to the government unless you use your RRSP. When the money goes into your RRSP, that deletes it from your taxable income. You can then invest it inside of your RRSP so it can grow and compound so you have much more of it for later. And as long as you have a good strategy of tax, you could take it out of your RRSP at a much lower tax bracket.